Hello everyone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our lesson review about open, closed and isolated system. You have to remember a lesson that in an open system, matter can get into the system while energy can also get into the system. It's open. Now let's define what matter is. Remember, matter is anything that occupies space and has mass, and energy is the ability to do work. So in this example, this is a test tube, and this is colored water, say for example. So the open system, matter and energy can get into the system freely. The heat energy from the sun can get into the system. Matter can get into the system. While closed system is where matter cannot get into the system because it's closed. Say, for example, in this example, there is a cover to the test tube, but the energy can get into the system. But this can be adjustable. Okay, heat. You can see here the sun's heat can be released while matter cannot get into the system. That's closed system. One good example is the thermos. Next is isolated system, in which it is closed system and it's isolated. The matter cannot get into the system. You cannot add into the system, but energy you cannot also can add into the system. No heat energy, no energy can get into the system. No sun energy can get into the system because it's closed and it's isolated. It means it is properly closed. You cannot add anything. So another example that you can find in daily life which you can connect is the pan. The pan itself is an open system because you can add, when you cook something, you can add water on it, you can add spices in it, you can add oil, or you can put something on the pan or pancakes, say for example. So matter can get into, that's matter can be solid, liquid or gas, right? So can add into the pan, but energy, it can be heated and it can, okay, energy can get in and out. The heat energy can get in and out of the pan. While in closed system, if you close the pan and you heat it, of course the heat energy can reheat the pan, but you cannot add something inside, right? You cannot add matter, you cannot add some spices or some water inside the pan or oil because it's closed. That's closed system. It's just to illustrate to you. And then isolated system, you can see the big pan, and then the small pan is inside that. So the the heat energy cannot get into the small pan, and matter, you cannot add anything into the small pan because it's locked, it's closed properly. So that's the easy illustration about open, closed and isolated system. I hope you've learned something. This is just a quick review, and you can see your study notes on Ramtha Science posted on Canvas. Thank you. Have a great day.